Hi folks, Shane here, and thanks for coming along to watch another one of my videos. As you can see this evening, I'm not on a bike, but I'm actually inside my new tent, which I purchased for my camping trip about 2 or 3 weeks ago. So tonight I'd like to take a few minutes of your time just to give you a quick overview of the tent and my thoughts on it. So it's an Outwell Earth 4, and it's a 4-man tent, and I'm mostly hearing you now saying, why has he bought a 4-man tent? It's him on his own. Well, the answer is pretty simple. I need lots of space. For us bikers who've been around for a long time, and even for new bikers, we all know what it's like when we get caught in a rain shower or pouring rain. When you come back to your tent, the last thing you want to do is either stand outside getting undressed to get your wet gear off, or bring the wet stuff into the tent. And in the smaller tents you haven't got the porch area that I've got in this Outwell 4. With the porch area, it's massive. I can put my panniers in there, I can put my dry bags in there, I can put my boots in there, and I can get changed in there, so that negates the need to come into the dry area, the bedroom. Excuse me. So yeah, absolutely brilliant. The tent has got some fantastic features. It's got a blackout area for the sleeping compartment, and it's also got a ventilation screen behind me. I don't know if you can see it. The blackout area works fantastic. I mean, there's no need to take another tarp to put over the roof to keep the sun out. The material just stops the light. Now, it's not perfect, and I don't think anything is perfect, you know what I mean? But it does keep the sunshine out of the tent in those early hours of dawn. And as we know from experience, when the sun shines, when you're in a tent, you wake up. This you don't. I slept until 6:30 with no problems. I mean, I'm normally up at that time of the day anyway, but it's very, very good. Another reason why I bought this tent over the other manufacturers was purely based on price and quality, build quality of the tent. This tent cost me £130 from a very well-known camping supplier. I'll put the name up now. And when I compared it to Van Gogh's OEX, Jack Wolfskin, is it, and Coleman's, this came out best, to be honest with you. 130 quid for a 4-man tent with a massive porch, superb build quality, blackout interior. You can't go wrong. I was looking at the Van Gogh Omega 3 Plus or 350. If I wanted that tent, which is a smaller tent, with a much smaller porch, that would have cost me £230. I also looked at the Lone Rider tent, which my friend Stefan Mayer uses, and it's a brilliant tent, but that's nearly £500, which is a lot of money. Yes, I know, if you look after it, it'll last you, but this camping trip I went on was the first time I'd camped or spent a night under canvas since 1977, so I wasn't too keen on blowing 500 quid on the tent. Anyway, this Outwell I think will last me a few years. If I look after it, it'll look after me, you know the old saying. But what I'm going to do for you in a minute is I'm going to show you how well the blackout interior works. So what's the time now? It's just coming up to 5 to 9 in the evening. I'll close all the doors and the curtains, and let's show you what it's like with the blackout doors working, or the blackout material working. So guys, this is what it's like with the curtains and the doors closed in the tent. As you can see, it's pretty dark in here, and the time now is about 9:05 in the evening, so the sun hasn't been set long, and it should simulate what it's like just before dawn and around the dawn time. And as I say, it's dark enough for me to continue sleeping. Let's put that light back on. So yeah, as you can see, I'm as happy as Larry with it. £130 for a 4-man tent of this build quality construction, this sort of equipment as standard, i.e. the black interior, the big old porch with a bathtub ground sheet. You can't go wrong. I did look at other tents, as I was saying, but I really wasn't keen on spending shed loads for my first time camping or returning to camping since 1977, and I have to say I'm very pleased with my choice. As always, thanks for watching, and if you'd like to leave a thumbs up, that would be fantastic. Please leave your comments. If you want to put a thumbs down because you didn't like it, just let me know why you didn't like it, so then I can hopefully improve the content, so next time I do one I'll get a thumbs up from you. If you'd like to subscribe, that would be great as well, because it would be great to have you along on my camping and motorcycle adventures and journeys. I'm going to be doing lots more videos shortly. I'm going to be doing reviews on everything I bought for camping, such as the Jetboil Minimo, my Vango Trek 3 standard sleep mat, my Vango sleeping bag, and anything associated with the camping. I'll be doing a video review on. Also some other bits and bobs I bought for the bike, so like charging equipment, DIN sockets, the quad lock I bought for my iPhone. I'll be doing reviews on all that stuff as well. So just leaves me to say thanks again for watching, stay safe, and hopefully see you next time. Bye for now.